Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the purpose of these numbers on your plates. You can find it in your manual machine and also in your industrial machine. So one of my workers there was asking me the purpose of these numbers, so I felt I should equally make this video, knowing fully well that a lot of people don't know the uses of these numbers.
Okay, first of all, if you pay attention, you notice that the first line has 1 over 4, the second line has 1 over 2, the third line has 1 over 3, and then the last number there is 1. Okay, so the first line represents quarter. That's 1 over 4. It represents quarter at this point. So if the fabric stops, the first line represents the number, and it's used to measure the particular inches you want to stitch while making a fabric. Okay, so if you keep it at the first line, what you are stitching is going to be quarter of an inch. You understand? At this particular point now, it is quarter of an inch. Now if you move it in, covering the first line, now at this point now it's going to be half of an inch. That is representing the 1 over 4 at that point. Now if you keep your fabric at the straight line while making your stitch, what you're stitching is going to be at exactly half of an inch. Okay, yeah, as you can see right now, the first one is quarter of an inch, while the second one is half of an inch. You can see that. Okay, so the next line now represents half quarter of an inch. That's the 3 over 4. Okay, so if I place it at this line, covering the other lines there, the other numbers rather, then at these exact points now, at that exact point, what I'm stitching is half quarter of an inch. Okay, now I'm going to measure it so you see and understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so simply put, these numbers is used to measure the stitches you want to make. So you can see that this is half quarter of an inch. Okay, while this is half inch, while the other one is quarter of an inch. Now if I cover this other line now to the other extreme, leaving the 1, then what I'm making, the stitches I'm making right now is 1 inch. Okay, this is exactly 1 inch if I follow that line at the extreme, leaving the 1 inch, the 1 at the extreme visible. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like more contents like this, then you have to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.